streetlights hum a lullaby, the way they did when we were young. I trace the cracks upon the sidewalk, counting steps where we begun. The summer air still smells the same, like fireflies and fading light. I close my eyes and for a moment you're beside me in the night. And the clock keeps spinning forward, but my heart got left behind in the corners of my memory where you're still mine. If I had a time machine, I'd ride it back to you, through the static and the silence, to a sky of baby blue. I'd find us in the photographs before the colors fade to gray. But time's a river with no turning, and I'm learning how to stay. The piano in the hallway plays a melody I can't forget. Each note is like a Polaroid of everything we haven't met. Your laughter echoes through the rooms like ghosts that only I can see. I reach out, but the air is empty, just the space you used to be. And the world keeps spinning forward, but I'm stuck here in between who I was when you were with me and who I'm becoming now, alone. If I had a time machine, I'd ride it back to you, through the static and the silence, to a sky of baby blue. I'd find us in the photographs before the colors fade to gray. But time's a river with no turning, and I'm learning how to stay. Maybe the magic isn't going back, but carrying you with me. Every scar, every laugh, every piece of what he used to be. The stars we wished on still exist, just buried in the light. And maybe loving you was always teaching me to hold on tight. Time machine to feel you here with me, in the static and the silence, in the space between the beats. You're living in the photographs, you're breathing in the air. Time's a river that keeps flowing, and I'm learning you're still there. Learning you're still there. You're still there. In the streetlights, in the side